Hi beginners! In this video you learn how to change text color in 3 ways in Photoshop 2024. Include text first. Now select the text tool, and as you can see on the right side, there is an option to change the color. Change the color from here. This is the first and most common method by which we can change the color. But if you like a color from somewhere and you want to include that color in your text, so you use the color picker and select the color from anywhere. As you can see, the color is selected on our foreground color. Press Alt plus backspace and fill the color. But if you want to change half text color, then select half text with Type tool and change its color. Okay beginners, I hope you got a lot of help from this video. Subscribe for more amazing videos.